Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and I'm going to present a very interesting recipe. Yes, Dhaba style chicken curry made in a very easy way and a very yummy chicken curry. Here I have taken 750 grams of the mixed chicken pieces and I'm making deep grooves, as you can see. So with the help of these deep grooves, the chicken masala will totally penetrate into the curry chicken and the curry will turn out to be really yummy. So now my deep grooves have been done and I'm marinating it with salt as per taste. And this is red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and into this I am putting a tinge of lemon. This is half lemon which I am putting the juice. Lemon generally helps in the softening of a chicken and penetrating of the flavors. So all these three ingredients go into marinating of the chicken, and this chicken will be marinated for around 40 to 45 minutes. So now I have closed the lid and meet you after 40-45 minutes. Here my array of masalas are there, and this I'm going to explain you as we move ahead. And now the chicken has been marinated after 40-45 minutes, and let's get started with the setting of the instant pot. Yes, this chicken I'm going to make in the instant pot in a very easy way. So here the saute mode is on. So this heats up the surface. Here I have put 1 tablespoon of oil. Yes, and I'm going to put the khada masala in form of bay leaf and dry red chili. Yes, the simple and the authentic way of making dhaba style chicken is to keep it as simple. And this is 2 medium size onions which I have taken. Yes, 2 medium size onions roughly chopped. Now let us set the saute mode for around 15 to 18 minutes. Yes, so this 15 to 18 minute setting will be on a 2 level basis. Yes, because I want about a 30-minute setting for the nice roasting of the chicken. So here you can see this has become a little bit of translucent, and here I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of chili. This is ginger garlic paste. Yes, so I don't want to put ginger garlic paste. I never put it with the onions because I let the onions roast for some time and then the flavors remain intact when I'm putting it in halfway. So here now this is being roasted. At this stage am I going to see that the browning is completed, and after the browning of the onions to some extent I'm putting these chicken pieces into this. So now with the marination it has become softened to some extent, and yes, now this is a time for me to roast it properly with the onions. And now at this stage I'm going to put the masalas. The dhaba style feel comes with the Kashmiri red chili, so I'm putting a nice share of Kashmiri red chilies and the dry coriander powder and salt as per taste. Now salt has to be put very carefully because you had put it at the marination stage. So now the trick for the dhaba style chicken is to roast it with all the dry masalas. Yes, so the flavors come enhanced when you are roasting it with the masalas. Now this is getting roasted. So now that 18 minutes has ended, and now I'm resetting it again for 15 minutes. So this 2 stages I had explained you makes it as well cooked as you can see. So now there is still some slight things to be done with this. This is the tomatoes I'm putting, and now cooking it with tomatoes. Yes, so after it is cooked to 75%, I am putting tomatoes into this, and now I'm going to cook it with the tomatoes for some time. Now this is getting mixed with the tomatoes, and now the surface is hot, and now you can see this has been roasted properly. Yes, so within that 15 to 15 minute settings, this has been roasted properly. At this stage water has to be added for the consistency of the curry you want. So either it can be thick or a little bit thin. No, the dhaba style chicken curry is a little bit on a thicker side. So here I have put water. So this is about half a glass of water, and garam masala is being put at this stage. Yes, again there are various stages of adding masalas. So here, before I'm going to put it on the pressure cook mode, I have put in the water and the garam masala. So now going in the necessary ingredients, the flavors have been enhanced, and I feel a little bit water can more be added. So I have added up another half a glass of water. So this is around 1 glass of water which has been added for the required curry consistency. So now I'm going to pressure cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, I'm cancelling the saute mode and putting it on the pressure cook mode for 3 minutes. And I'm not going to wait for the pressure to remain intact because it is nearly cooked. So I have taken off the pressure, and look at the wonderful chicken curry which has been ready. Can you see the red color which has come with the Kashmiri red chili powder? And this is ready to be served with a tinge of kasuri methi. So the kasuri methi will render that lovely fresh flavors. And curd. This is about 1 tablespoon of curd. So that curd will generally give that, the gravy flavors will come, and that little bit of that tanginess comes with the curd. You can enjoy this with rice, roti, or even naan, and the freshness in form of fresh coriander. Yes, here is ready my dhaba style chicken. Enjoy it. And if you've liked this, please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.